how to import videos in Sequencer. And we add the new folder and change the name. Here we open it, and now I drag the video into our scenes, and I right key and select the media and select media player and drag it. OK, and we rename. And here have the media texture. And we open it, the player, and select this monster. Here I just do this plane. And change the value. And scale it up. And next create a new sequencer. And drag the planes into the sequencer. And here we click the Add button and select media track. Here I click it and select this monster, and it's still not working. And here, because we need to add media texture, and select monster player video. Yeah, you can see it. Our video is successful input in the sequencer. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.